Hello fellow YouTubers. Another product for us to test out is a company called Etenwolf. It's going to be a digital tire pressure gauge with the inflator all built into one. Looks like it's going to have a trigger here. It's going to connect to a air compressor, like an airline hose. Looks to be digital. I don't know if it needs batteries or not. From the picture here, it looks like a nice brass fitting instead of a cheap plastic fitting. And also what's nice is this company was willing to send me one to test out and also a free one to give away to my YouTube subscribers. So if you would like a free one for yourself, leave a comment below this video and I will pick a random comment and you could possibly win this. So please watch the video, stay tuned. We're going to be doing an unboxing. Let's see what's all involved here. Looks like a little owner's manual here of a couple pages. And it should be pretty self-explanatory. Obviously, you're just going to screw on your valve stem cap. You check the sticker that's in the driver's door jamb to see what your recommended tire pressure in your vehicle is going to be. You press the on button to turn it on. Make sure it's set either to PSI, bar, kilograms. Obviously here in the United States, you want it to be on PSI, pounds per square inch. You can press the light button to illuminate the screen if you'd like. Looks like you screw the nozzle on clockwise. Connect your, unless you connect the fitting to plug into your airline hose, and you pull the trigger to inflate the tire. So very simple to use. This looks nice here. It comes with like a carrying case to keep, to put it in the trunk of your vehicle, so you always have it with you just in case. You never know when you might get a flat tire. Let's take a look here what all it comes with. Oh wow, looks like quite a bit here. Oh, it even comes with batteries, so I was curious if it runs off batteries or not. What is this, like a little Velcro strap? Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. Oh, there's one up here too. Alright, so it's very lightweight, kind of like that. Like I suspected, a nice brass fitting. I have seen some of these where they're plastic, and obviously it'll work a few times, but after a while the plastic might wear out or the threads might strip out. Okay, it's comfortable to the hand. If your tire is overinflated, you put a little too much air, you're going to press that to release air out. That's going to be to fill the tire. Looks like it already comes with the pneumatic fitting here on the end, so it'll just snap right on. It does look like we're going to probably put the batteries into it. Oh look, it does have like there is kind of a rubber outer case on this. So if you were to drop it, the rubber is going to hit the ground before the actual display hits the ground. Let's see what all it has here. Oh, it comes with, I guess, extra valve stem caps. Oh, okay, I see what it is. In case you want to inflate like an air mattress. Oh, I see. This is for like a basketball or football if you want to inflate that. New little Schrader valves in case yours are leaking. And this is an adapter. I know what this is for. It's for like bicycles. If you have the small little valve, it adapts to the full size. So you would just screw that on. It's nice. It comes with all this stuff. Comes in a little kit with it. Another thing I also want to emphasize. Right now, well, we're getting close to Black Friday here when I'm filming the video. It's on sale today for only $18 on Amazon. And obviously that's 2-day shipping. So if you need something like a quick stocking stuffer for someone that's into automotive repair or just taking care of their vehicle, this is something simple, very affordable. Looks like a little roll of thread tape without even opening that up. Looks like you would screw this on, and this is one of those kind where you would put it on like a bike or on a bicycle tube. You can lock that on. That's nice. It comes with that. I didn't even imagine something like that. Oh, here's a, this is always another nice thing to have, a multi-tool. This is what you use to remove the Schrader valve. If you know what I'm talking about, but inside your valve stem, those little tiny pieces that came in this kit, you use that. It goes in the center of your valve stem, and you can unscrew it, remove it, the valve core. You put a new valve core in if obviously yours has a leak. Multiple other things you can do with this little tool, but it is nice. It comes with it. We'll just put that back. it's nice. It comes with all these other little pieces. I mean, I know it sounds stupid, but in the past, I've purchased some of these that cost, say, $25. And then, you know, a couple months down the road, you need to air up a basketball, and you got to go to the store and you spend the $3 or $4 on the little adapter for the basketball. I'm not even sure what's in here, but we'll see. Oh, here's valve stem caps. Okay. So in case your car doesn't have a valve stem cap, it looks like there is 8 of them come free in the kit. I just can't believe all the little free extras this comes with, but hey, I'm not going to complain. And like I said, if you want one for yourself, just leave a comment below. I'm going to pick a random subscriber and I'll be sending it out to them. Batteries go in the actual gauge. But all in all, so far, what I'm seeing for the price point of like I said, I think it's normally $25, but it's on sale right now for 18 bucks during Black Friday. It's something simple. It's on Amazon. A simple stocking stuffer for anybody that's into cars. It doesn't matter if you're a 16-year-old kid just getting your license. You need to teach your kid to check your proper air pressure in their cars. And something like this, I'm not going to say it's fun, but it makes it simple and easy and a little more convenient for your kid to do. Next, we'll be going outside. Actually, I'll show you using it on the vehicle. Very simple. But I'm going to put this to the test. I work at a large car dealership, and I'm going to take this into work and let mechanics use it, the younger lot tech kids use it. We'll put it through some wear and tear, and we'll see how long it lasts. Could not only last a month, could last 4 or 5 years. Who knows? But I'm going to put it to the test, and we're going to see how long it lasts. I'll let you guys know. Thanks for watching my channel. Like I said, leave a comment below for your chance to win one yourself. Thanks for watching.